Yeah, hi guys. Now we need to learn about how to install Node.js. It's very useful application for connecting front-end UI to database. So, how to install Node.js in our PC or in our system in Windows operating system. So, right now we need to download the Node.js application from the Node.js download, and we will get this Node.js organization site, and my operating system is Windows. So recommended for most users this one only. So that when we are going to click here, so we need to download our Node.js application, right? And install. Double click on this or no problem, or right click on this and install. This one is also no problem. So now I need to double click on this and we will get this window. Node.js, welcome to Node.js setup wizard. It is a welcome window. So next one, and accept this license agreement, right? And we are installing in C drive as a software. So not required, no need to change the other locations. It's enough, C drive is enough. And we need to add the path for programming purpose, and path is, we need to select the path, and it's optional. Automatically install the necessary tools like C, C++, Visual Studio kind of things. If you want, you need to select, or otherwise it's optional one. That's your wish. I selected and install. Yes, and finish it. Yeah, we are selected additional tools now, so that we are getting this window. Install additional tools for the Node.js. Press any key to continue, and we will get PowerShell kind of, PowerShell. So not required this right now. We need to check the Node.js and a command prompt. So first we need to check the Node.js version. Node hyphen v for version, and we'll get v 14.7.3. That's the version. It's installed. So we are going to test the Node.js. Node. So we are entering into that. Welcome to Node.js version. We are checking the statement, one programming kind of statement in this. So, and we are going to pass some string in this. It's a domain name without spaces. We need to actually writing on a search engine, but as a URL. But here, understanding purpose, I have given some gap over there, and we are checking that whatever the string I passed in between double quote, that is displayed. So, so it's working perfectly. So thank you guys. Keep watching my technical videos. Thank you.